Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Porsche key battery. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Next, press the release button on your key fob and slide out the mechanical key. This reveals a small slot where you'll begin to gently pry open the key casing. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few minutes. With the mechanical key removed, carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into the designated slot. Gently twist the screwdriver to pry open the key fob. You'll feel a slight click as the two halves begin to separate. Be sure to use minimal force to avoid any damage to the plastic casing. This step is crucial for accessing the battery compartment safely. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to note its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Use your screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, carefully insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. This ensures proper function. After replacing the battery, align the two halves of the key fob and press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating it's securely closed. Then, slide the mechanical key back into its slot until it locks into place. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.